times have changed. And the way we see the sky, too. The way our modern society lives doesn't allow us to fully admire the majestic wonders of the celestial nature. We are a society that no longer marvels when we lift our gaze to the firmament. Perhaps it's because the city lights at night cover our view like a curtain to a spectacle that has been in sight of humanity since forever. Maybe it's because our fast-paced daily life today overwhelms our existence. Or perhaps we are simply unaware of how important and necessary it was for our ancestors. But it hasn't always been this way. In the past, before this modern society, the sky was looked upon with great respect and devotion. But let's be realistic. The stars, those bright beacons illuminating the dark expanse of space, connect us with the cosmos in a profound way, even if it doesn't seem so. Maybe we look at it differently. We are so intimately connected to our technology that we have completely forgotten about our ancestral beginnings. We know that we depend on it all the time. An example of this is the GPS, the abbreviation for Global Positioning System, a device used on land and in the air. Indispensable in aviation, a great tool for travelers, the transportation industry, and also used by the courier and delivery industry. Useful in all aspects of this modern life. So much so that we have adopted it as our own. It almost seems like it has always been with us. But it hasn't always been with us. This is the result of technological development in recent times. This technological guide was preceded by the compass, an invention that had a profound impact on exploration and geographical discoveries. It was an essential tool for navigators. For example, Christopher Columbus used it on his exploratory voyages that led to the discovery of new continents and sea routes. Sailors used the compass to determine their courses and maintain a steady direction at sea. This helped prevent loss and improve navigation accuracy. But how did our ancestors navigate before the compass arrived? A question that bewilders even the experienced GPS users. Throughout history, constellations have been used by diverse cultures as celestial maps for orienting themselves on Earth. Before the compass and GPS, navigators relied on the positions of stars to guide their journeys across unknown seas. For this reason, nearly all cultures have assigned names and meanings to stars and constellations. Because historically, these have played a crucial role in both maritime and terrestrial navigation, especially before the invention of modern technology. For example, the North Star, one of the most important for navigation in the Northern Hemisphere. Located near the celestial North Pole and practically in line with Earth's rotational axis, the North Star remains relatively fixed in the night sky. It was a dependable reference for determining northward direction for sailors. Sirius, Vega, and Altair were used as reference points in the night sky to plot routes and establish general directions. Stars weren't the only references in the sky. Constellations were also utilized. For instance, the Southern Cross, clearly situated in the Southern Hemisphere. This prominent constellation was used as a reference point for navigation. Its unique arrangement of stars makes it easily recognizable, serving as a guide to mark the celestial south. Similarly, the constellation Orion, with its 3 stars forming the Orion's belt. It often served as a guide for navigating east to west. In some ancient cultures, the stars of Orion were also associated with specific cardinal points. In different eras and cultures, stars and constellations were used to form celestial crosses, aiding navigators in identifying directions and locations. An example is the Big Dipper, formed by the stars of the Ursa Major. In the southern hemisphere, the large and small Magellanic Clouds, 2 nearby dwarf galaxies, were used as reference points for navigation at sea. Beyond individual constellations, some indigenous cultures used cloud patterns, sky colors, and other atmospheric phenomena as indicators of weather conditions and directions. Stars and constellations are not just points of light in the nighttime sky, but also cultural symbols, navigation guides, and windows into the universe beyond our own Earth. History tells us that these groupings of stars have influenced mythology, science, and the way we perceive our place in the cosmos. So take a pause on the upcoming night. Look up at the stars. Now you can understand how they connect us to the rich history of human exploration and remind us that we are part of a mysterious universe. We are a unique species with the ability to ask, explore, and learn about the universe around us. Our existence and quest for knowledge add a unique dimension to the vastness and diversity of the cosmos. Leave us a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new updates. Take care.